Hey everyone, one of Xiaomi's most expensive earbuds to date, the Buds 5 Pro, is what we're going to be talking about today. Although these earbuds have a ton of functions, the ability to capture audio independently is one that truly stood out and attracted my interest. It's an interesting and rather unsettling feature that I haven't seen on many other earbuds. Let me tell you why. You can capture music with the Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro without removing the earphones from their case. The case's button only needs to be pressed 3 times to begin recording. The earphones will silently record sounds even if you leave them in your pocket. Nevertheless, it's an intriguing feature that distinguishes these earphones. First, let's talk about the unpacking process. 3 more pairs of ear tips, a charging cord, and the earbuds are all included in the stylish packaging of the Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro. The shiny texture of the earbuds itself gives them a high-end appearance, but it also makes them quite fingerprint attracting. In spite of this, the design is sleek and contemporary, with a microphone, a touch-sensitive surface, and cozy ear tips. With a USB-C port and a status indicator light, the charging case is small and lightweight. It's easy to pair the Buds 5 Pro, particularly if you have a Xiaomi phone. The battery levels of the case and the earbuds are displayed in a pop-up window that opens on your phone as soon as you open the case. Xiaomi Earbuds app, which provides a plethora of customizing choices, is accessible once connected. Touch controls, transparency mode, and noise suppression are among settings that can be changed. However, voice recording capability is the true highlight of this. All you have to do is push the case's button 3 times to begin recording audio. Even removing the earbuds is not necessary. Wearing the earbuds and touching the touch controls 3 times provides an additional method of recording. You can halt the recording in the same manner, and a voice prompt will confirm when it has begun. Other capabilities of the program include simultaneous interpretation and real-time translation. For instance, the earbuds can instantly translate your English speech into Chinese. This is especially helpful in discussions where there are language limitations. Imagine having a smooth bilingual conversation while wearing the earbuds and having someone else hold your phone. It's quite amazing. Let's now discuss sound quality. I can assure you that the audio performance is superb, even though I am unable to show it here. The sound is well balanced overall, with a powerful bass. Another highlight is the active noise cancellation, which reduces noise by up to 55 decibels. When I tested it in a noisy mall, it performed a great job of drowning out background noise so I could concentrate on my calls or music. Without a doubt, the Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro are among the greatest earbuds I've ever used, especially for people who must concentrate in noisy settings or who travel frequently. This concludes our brief overview of the Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro. Thank you for viewing, and please share your opinions in the comments section. See you at the following one. Have a nice day, and God bless you.